So, hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal, working at LEXIS and Company Law Firm as a junior associate. Today, we will be discussing about a case, a decision which was being given in a case by Bombay High Court recently, last year. So, as we all know that a woman or a wife has a right to get maintenance from her husband, okay? But do you know husband also have right to get maintenance from her, his wife? Okay, so this is the case of the second situation we are going to discuss in this video, and we also discuss the detailed judgment or detailed decision what the court has said in its judgment. So, basically, let's discuss a brief. The court, Bombay High Court, basically, directs a woman to pay maintenance to her ex-husband under Section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act. Both husband and wife can claim alimony. The court has said that both can claim alimony. It's not only a right of a, or it's not basically a right of a woman. Okay, in case of in case of getting maintenance. So the Bombay High Court was has upheld orders passed by a local court in Nanded in Maharashtra directing a woman teacher, she was a teacher, to pay alimony to her indigent former husband in an order passed on February 26th this year. It was not the case of last year, it's a case of 2023. Okay, and Justice Bharti Dangre, sorry, Justice Bharti Justice Bharti of Aurangabad bench of High Court upheld orders passed by the local court in 2017 and 2019. Okay, the civil court had also directed in this case that the woman pay an interim monthly maintenance of 3,000 rupees to her ex-husband and ask the headmaster of her school to deduct 5,000 rupees from her salary every month and deposit the same with the court towards unpaid maintenance since 2017. The court basically this is what the court had directed the headmaster of the school. Okay, and also in this case the woman contested the lower court orders, arguing that she had divorced her husband in 2015. The man approached approached the local court seeking permanent alimony 2 years later. Okay, after 2 years he approached the court, so that to seeking permanent alimony. And later, so the woman's lawyer in this case woman's lawyer argued that once a marriage had ended, neither party had a right to claim any maintenance or alimony. And so the in this case the basically the advocate or the basically the defendant side, from the defendant side, the lawyer of advocate or lawyer of her, the woman, has said that the once the marriage has ended, or the divorce has been granted both the parties, no one has the right, or neither husband nor wife can claim maintenance from her partner, okay, ex-partner. So in this case, while arguing, the counsel or the husband also, what he said that, however, argued that section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act did not provide for any restriction on claim of maintenance or alimony in this way. The council said that it is basically not written. Whatever the counsel for the wife has said in the court that no one can claim after ending their marriage, it is not written in law. Section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act has, it is not written that no one can claim maintenance. So, the man claimed that he had, in this case, the man had claimed that he had no source of income and he suffered from such health issues that had rendered him unfit for working. Okay, so in case of husband, there has to be some situation, and the situation is what? Just like in case of woman, where woman is not able to, or woman is incapable of earning, whether it's the reason of health, due to health reason or anything else. So the same applies in case of husband as well. Okay, and the woman had completed her education and became a teacher after their marriage, he said. in order to encourage the wife petition to obtain the degree, he had, managed the household affairs, keeping aside the own ambition. The husband said that I was the one who, basically I played a huge role in becoming a teacher, or becoming a teacher of a school. And I, basically, for her future, or to praise her in her future, or in her career, I supported, and I managed the whole house affairs. Okay, keeping aside his own ambition, his plead said Justice D said, Denger said that, said under Section 25 and 24 and 25 Hindu Marriage Act confer a right basically on the indigent spouse to claim maintenance, and upheld the lower court's decision in this case. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it.